On a chilly evening, Milo the tabby curled up by his owner's feet as she read peacefully. Suddenly, Milo's ears perked up and he darted to the front door, fur bristling. Without a sound, he pressed his body against the door, refusing to move. Confused, his owner checked outside and spotted a faint whiff of smoke, an electrical wire smouldering nearby. Thanks to Milo's silent warning, she called for help before disaster struck. That night, as she hugged Milo close, she realized her gentle companion had quietly become her brave protector, deepening their unbreakable bond.